People have 100 excuses for failures, but not one strong reason to win. I don't have money. I don't have time. I don't have support. Pro, do you think the variable pass for your excuses? Your bills aren't. You have no time, right? But somehow you finish every Netflix series. You have no money, right? But your phone have all the food delivery apps. You have no support, right? Even self-made billionaires started alone. Excuses are like freeway fare, useless, but people still love them. Nobody cares about your excuses. Results speak louder than complaints. Every successful person had a struggles, but they found solution, not excuses. Success isn't about what you have. It's about what you create from what you have. Life doesn't wait for you to be ready. Either you start or you stay behind. So, next time you feel like making excuses, ask yourself, will this excuse pay my bills? If not, drop it and get to work.